Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing south facing Kerala style house plan. A plot size 22 feet by 34 feet, and we explore this beautiful 2 BHK Kerala style home design, a smartly optimized for a compact 748 square feet plot. And this south facing floor can maximize every inch and featuring spacious hall and a well-lit kitchen and two comfortable bedrooms, including a master suite and external staircase, a fantastic architectural choice, and saving a valuable interior space while providing a classical portico entrance. Let's get into the plan for detailed room by room vastu explanation. Coming to the main gate is placed over here. The main door is positioned towards the southeast on the front wall. For south-facing homes, the specific placement is considered highly auspicious and welcoming for positive energy. And we have our main door over here. Before that, we have a portico of size 9 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 6 inches. And we have also provided our external staircase. This external staircase is located in the southwest zone. And in Vastu, the heavy structures should always be placed in the south or west to anchor the home and block negative energies. So we kept our staircase over here in the southwest position. Into the main door, we have our ample and spacious hall of size 10 feet by 19 feet. We provide a sofa location over here. Opposite to that, we have assigned a TV showcase unit. And coming to the open kitchen, okay, the kitchen is sits in the northeast corner and allowing it to capture the very first rays of morning sunlight. And the adjacent hall spans the eastern side and ensuring the main living areas stay bright, fresh, and active throughout the day. And coming to the master bedroom, and it is measured in size of 10 feet by 8 feet, and it is placed securely in the southwest corner. And Vastu strongly recommends the direction of the for the head of the family, as the earth element here promotes stability, peace, and strength. And this bedroom, the southwest corner is meant for earth element, and it is perfectly suitable for the head of the family, which improves the prosperity and wealth, also strengthens stability to the family. In this bedroom, we provide our wardrobe on the west and sleeping portion is south. These both are provided as per Vastu, which increases stability and strength, also wealth. And coming to the kids' bedroom, of size 10 feet by 12 feet, and it is positioned in the northwest corner, which is wind corner and which is ideal for the uh, growing kids. And wind corner is nothing but it promotes movement and it improves development. So it is a better place for the kids' room. And here also we provide a bed sleeping portion in the south and wardrobe in the west. And this kids' bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. And in this toilet, the commode is placed towards south. As per was to, the commode should be placed towards north or south, and here we get towards south. And the touching bathroom is situated in the northwest corner. This is ideal water zone for waste disposal and flushing out stagnant energy. So we provide the same over here. And that's all with the overall plan. You can view the plan here. You can get more such plans on our websites, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan List and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.